Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers and subscribers, at the channel we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because it saves lives. That is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at this channel aid criminals, their financiers, their supporters, enablers, and the likes with a passion, and we do not want them over here. Yes, let us repeat ourselves. We do not want any criminal supporters over here. Please, we do not want your views, your subscriptions, your likes, or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpet is waiting for you. Over here, we want you, the criminal supporters, enablers, financiers, and all the likes, to go to prison or madness. Let me repeat myself. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we do not want the criminal supporters and their circle over here. We want you to go to prison or madden. Moving on to our video. Yes, today we're going to tell you about a story about Spragga Benz. Boy, there's so many things about this guy that it's unbelievable. And we didn't even know that until recently that this DJ youth by the name, at the time his name, they call him Assassin. And he haven't spoken to Spragga Benz from the death of his son, because Spragga Benz is a man who support violence. So Spragga Benz, whose real name is Carlton Errington Grant, is a well-known Jamaican dancehall DJ and actor. The thing is that after Spragga Benz's son was killed by the police and Sasco, Assassin, did not attend his son's funeral, men from Spragga Benz's gang, yes, Spragga Benz is a known gang leader out by East. We have learned so many things. So you're going to learn, and I'm telling you, what is coming out based on the intelligence from, from detectives, special branch, even, from the, Jamaica Defense Force, MIU, as you have heard, even, contributor to this channel, who has been telling us about Spragga Benz and his criminality, his criminal deeds. Yes, the things that the allegations of him. So that Spragga Benz rose to fame in the 1990s with hits like Shinna Ready, Yet, Hype Up, and Dalios. His music has resonated with audience worldwide, earning him a prominent place in the dancehall scene. In fact, instead the man used the money that he has made from it to uplift his community, he used it to buy guns. You're going to hear, yes, Spragga Benz, he has lost, you're going to hear of him losing 16 guns. Yeah, man, 6 rifle and 10 handgun. A guy by the Stumpy and others, we're not going to call everyone name because Stumpy is dead. They robbed a youth by the calling him Red Square, him do everything like Spragga Benz. Everything like Spragga Benz, dressed like him, behave like him, and the man him beat him to frazzle and rob him a gun. The man he had to run away from. He's no longer in Jamaica. So while dancehall music often explore themes related to street life and urban struggles, it is essential to distinguish between artistic expression and real life actions. So making assumption. Making allegations or assumptions about an artist's personal life based solely on their lyric and content or public persona can be unfair and harmful. But what we're doing right here, we're just going to share allegation, and accusation. This have nothing that would damage, his reputation or perpetuate misinformation. All of these are factual informations about Spragga Benz. So Spragga Benz is not no earth angel or no saint. Don't watch the Rasta, don't watch the turban, as them call him, long ear Harry. Yeah, that is some Rasta, yeah man. Yeah, them call him long ear Harry. So whether or not you want to believe it, There's a troubling perception that a significant number of our dancehall artists in Jamaica are entangled in criminal activities, including the killing of fellow Jamaicans from their communities. This cycle of violence inflicts profound pain, mourning, and emptiness on the relatives and friends of the victims. Currently, two notable dancehall artists, Desmond Ninja Man Ballantyne and Adija Vibes Cartel Palmer, are serving prison sentences for murder. Their cases are a stark reminder of the dark underbelly of dancehall scene. Another prominent figure, Spragga Benz, Spragga Benz, whose real name is Carlton Errington Grant, has evaded legal repercussion due to insufficient evidence. And this is how police make you know. However, his reputation is far from spotless. Some view him not as an artist, but as an agent of death and destruction, alleging that he has sown the seeds of wickedness which continue to yield bitter fruit. Spragga Benz, well known in the Jamaican dancehall DJ and actor, has been accused of being a gang leader and a killer. Yeah, so some people from out there, but don't care. So Spragga Benz is a known gunman before and killer before him an artist. Yes. They say of all of the youth that come from out there, we anyone that is one of the softest youth in the gun business and in support violence. But Spragga Benz, no, him have to control people's life. And eventually him have to run it because one brother named Doggy and Marshall, them kill Marshall one Dread. So these accusations have led to believe that anyone in his presence, and when I tell you this, including figures like the Marleys, is at risk. So this is what the people them must say. Because them say, why? Well, people, you have some people when them talk to you, they make sure, them tell us, boy, look, we don't want this on the record, So you understand, this is off the record. Because you say, boy, you's all about saving life. You're all about saving life over here at the Jamaica Young Police Channel. So I tell you this, if you make you let them know, say, boy, if them, the Marlies, them want, if them appreciate and love life, in time in Jamaica, them stay far from Spragga Benz when he's there. Because if they're around him, they are fear place. A word to the wise is sufficient. So despite his public persona and Rastafarian image, the allegation suggests a stark contrast between his outward appearance and his purported actions. It is essential to critically examine these claims and understand their broader implication for our society. These artists' influence extends beyond their music, shaping their lives and mentalities of their listeners. If these allegations hold any truth, they reveal a troubling reality in which celebrated figures contribute to the cycle of violence and crime. As a community, we must demand accountability and push for a culture that value life, peace, and positive influence. The story of Ninja Man and Vibes Cartel and Spragga Benz should serve as cautionary tales, urging us to reflect on the legacy we want our artists to leave behind. It's time to challenge the glorification of violence in music and promote messages that uplift and inspire. In our following discussion, we will delve deeper into these issues, exploring the impact of dancehall culture on our youth and the steps we can take to foster a more positive and constructive environment. Join us as we seek to understand and address these critical concerns for the betterment of our community. However, some claim that Spragga Benz was involved in criminal activities with allegations pointing to his involvement in gun-related incidents and connections with gang members in Dunkirk, East Kingston, Natina, Jamaica. So these claims suggest that he had a reputation of being a dangerous individual, allegedly protected by corrupt elements within the system, allowing him to obtain and keep a license firearm. Eventually, him lose it. Yeah, because of him and him criminality. Them have him, them have him, there's a triple murder that happened in Kingston East of a guy named Stumpy. The police them have the recording there of him having conversation with a youth named T-Pain. Yeah, named T-Pain from Southside. Yeah man, T-Pain from Southside. But it's just that the information at the time when the police them obtained that information, it was obtained, let's say, unorthodox way, you understand? So that's why they were able to name him as a person of interest. And everything where the police them do, them can come out and say it publicly. Because then you got to hear the activists them, the people them from the, Jamaican for Justice, them a part of a criminal organization. Boy, yeah, infringing on them rights and them privacy and them thing. I mean, all criminals have rights and privacy. And that me not understand that. So that was one of the reasons why them name him for a person of interest after them kill Stumpy. The police them have the information, have the evidence, but unorthodox ways, it wasn't done legally, you understand? And then them start to monitor the youth, them start to monitor T-Pain phone with him and T-Pain, and you understand? Yes. Some stories connect Spragga Benz with violence events, such as the killing of a Don from Dunkirk known as Stumpy. So this incident I've said to have sparked a vendetta with Doggy, another prominent figure, seeking revenge. The narrative includes dramatic accounts of robberies, beating, and threats, painting a picture of a turbulent and dangerous lifestyle. Nevertheless, it's essential to approach these stories with caution. It is difficult to ascertain. It's easier in these allegations with concrete evidence. So these allegations, we have concrete evidence that, that it's in the public domain, in which the police them name him as a person of interest. And so, public figures, especially those from challenging background, often face rumors and speculation that can distort reality. But in a Spragga Benz case, it's not no rumors. No rumor or anything like that. So the thing is that there was a triple murder. Yeah, there was a triple murder that happened in a Dunkirk. Yeah, man, with Stumpy. Yeah, them. And the thing is that now, when Stumpy was killed, it was a person that was in the shop, make the call, because they get paid. Somebody around Stumpy was paid for information for them to kill Stumpy, because Stumpy and other men, they had received an order from Doggy to venture 6 o'clock one evening to go to Red Square, because you don't know them have, although all of them are criminal. So Spragga Benz Red Square had locked 16 guns to Spragga Benz, 6 rifle and 10 handgun, 9mm pistol. Rifles include AK-47, M16s, and all of these guns they have. So they were able, them infiltrate, them have people within the gang, cause all of them in a friend, and them knows Red Square is the man that had the guns. So what happened that Doggy had sent Stumpy and others, and them go and them rob Red Square, beat him up bad, and took away the 16 guns from him. In return for giving up the gun, his life was spared, but them beat him bad. After them beat him bad, he had to trim his locks. So say a lot of these men you see in Jamaica who have locks, the man on a rasta. Don't watch because you see them have the Haile Selassie button on them and them thing, fraud them, criminal them. So because them beat him bad and mash him up, him trim, so he migrate and him live in America. Yeah, I saw it go America, the criminal. This is where the criminal retirements from Jamaica, may I tell you. So you as Jamaican who live in America, you have to look out of your eye clean. But if you say you'll run from Jamaica, them still a follow you, see me. Unless you live in a suburb. Some of them live in a suburb too, because the people them that they are living around, these are people involved in a criminal activity in America. And criminal activity, a big business. Anyway you go in the world, crime a big business. So after them beat up Red Square, that a Spragga, him do everything like Spragga Benz. After them beat him up and rob the gun them, that's how the retaliation happened, and then they have the triple murder. But we tell you about that the next day. Yeah, we tell you some dangerous thing about that brother. May I tell you? So as we tell you, in discussing these matters, we prioritize factual accuracy and fairness. Sprague Benz, like anyone else, deserve to be judged based on verification, information rather than hearsay. So that's why we never get all of these tours, because we have to make sure we contact, we people them in Jamaica Constabulary Force who have intimate knowledge about these things that me up in 2011. Because nobody feel say although 2024 they man they change them lifestyle, And just like how you say him behave like a bad man, a theme persona that. Sprague, no. Although you see me in a shatter, a theme lifestyle that a bad man business. So nobody feel like when you see him act and act him show you how him behave in a real life. That's how the people them must say. These are people that you were friends with, So his contributions to music and culture are undeniable, and unproven claims should not overshadow his legacy. Alright? So the reason why we say that now, them thing, we have to be fair on them thing. So if Sprague Benz wants him can do like we anyone then. Him can come on the Jamaica Young Police channel and disprove what is being said about him. Yeah, you understand that he's the one that TP and come from Southside, We don't call everybody name because one and two little things. Because sometimes when you reveal too much information and people start to sieve and say, wait, I wonder who it come from and this and that and them thing there. It's just like the person with Stumpy when them kill Stumpy. The person know himself the one that collect money. Me don't know how a man become criminal and a man collect money and make them kill them friend and them thing there. But the whole of them inside them shop and I watch TV and them thing there, man just come in and man them drive past and man get phone call and them just hit. So at the time them know so there was nobody. So, there was nobody close by with no illegal gun. And so a man them from Southside and them do it and them thing there. So them people them know how do it. So in our next video, we'll cover the story behind Sprague Benz associates allegedly plotted to kill Agent Sasco. Yeah, man. So we'll tell you about that assassin. Yeah, formerly known as assassin Agent Sasco. Simple because he did not attend Sprague Benz's son's funeral. So Sprague Benz's son named Junior. Police had killed him. Yeah, man. Police kill him downtown, and look here. That's Sprague Benz fault. Why that? Because if him never the cause problem out by East Kingston, the youth would have able to stay out there because out the Sprague Benz come from. But him, this whole dirty life and them thing, and the youth now grew up and hear him father. Because when you talk on phone as a father, with other criminal and them thing, there are other people involved in the nefarious thing. Nobody feel say them not alert, not hear. And even the same youth, Sprague Benz Junior, or what you want to call him. Yeah, man, that's how we have to call him. May his soul rest in peace. But sometimes you as parent, you will contribute to the demise of your own child. And most people I blame Sprague Benz, say him why that youth here did end up down the south when him gone and police kill him. Because him did have the gun and them thing there. And he was a little chucky boat. Yeah, even when when he was going to school at Camperdown, he may not behave like bad man. And Sprague Benz, him a chucky boy at school and them thing there. And the teeth they had to send for him. And Sprague Benz boxed him son right in front of in front of everybody at school and say, oh, I bad man now. Kind of something. But him never feel do that, But hey, look, man, if you come from a ghetto, you make money. That's why whether or not look on all the art. Well, look on all a man like Jonah Reid. None of Jonah Reid son them never in a jail, Jonah Reid, bounty killer, and you're all Vibes Cartel, even I say. You understand? So Vibes Cartel says none of him boy them can involve in a badness because jail is a nice place. So him not push, although him Vibes Cartel is a carousing, him no want him putting them involved in other lifestyle, but look what. When I don't understand saying it's fear game, with fear mute them, but as we say, we's all about over here saving life. So this tragic tale unfolds a deeper narrative of influence, responsibility and the harsh realities of life in Jamaica. So unfortunately, Sprague Benz, a revered dancehall artist, had his struggle and controversies. His son, often exposed to his father's lifestyle and words, was embroiled in a troubling situation. There was a reported incident where Sprague Benz, in a moment of frustration and discipline, confronted his son at Camperdown High School. striking him in front of his peers because of his behavior and attempt to emulate a life of crime. Because the youth now, him want to live. Honestly, when you go to school and them thing, the high school, sometimes, I just saw it go on them thing there, Youth are youth, but boy, box them up on them thing there, you understand? Trust me, every youth who go to school go through some form of, you go through, as teenager, you go through some phase where you can't even explain. That's why I say when a youth, just like the youth at Denham Town, the time with the teacher and the teacher, drape him up and with that I want to lick him with the chair and everybody I condemn the youth. I say no, that youth there, I could be that youth there. Yeah. You could have said me that to one them thing there. When me in a second form of school, I tell you, yeah man. At first me I talk before one teacher, of all I teach, I younger teacher me yet, Yeah man, even today, me I tell you. But me never see my boy name, my brother name, Tony Edge. Me say him dark here, man. And me all this way me I put every time I see that boy just drape him up back. But yeah man, when me in a second form I go high school, me I tell you. So me not go talk about really behind it and them thing there. Although a man a teacher it, all I have to do with a girl. Yeah. Well, pretty girl, right? You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. So the brother now, him now a teacher, So apparently maybe in him late teens or early 20s, but I'm going like him a bad boy, Yeah, one boy, him named Tony Edge. He used to teach at my school, my high school. So you don't know, in my farm and them thing there, you don't know me have my respect at school and them thing there. Cause you me get my respect now at school. Normally I go high school. The first day I go school, the first time before I hear them thing, the first day I go school, I just you and everybody in a first farm. I don't know what them do. Them said right now a great business. So in a first farm now, when you go school now, everybody in a first farm and you never get fit, them show you around the school and them thing there and you understand and here now, second year now. So the second year of school, the entire school now come, from first right to fifth farm. We're on the sixth farm of my school then. Me, second year, this is school for me, Me, in my class, them thing there. Me understand, me in a class name, 1-3. Yeah. And, yeah, see it. So when me in a 1-3, yeah, man, all of my friends, man. Second day, me in my class and a brother from in a fifth farm, and a boy come and just draw me off of my chair, Yeah, man, I'm drop on my body, You don't know, I take up a foul chair now. A chair will fall. I one me look at me there and I'm back in them pretty much lit down about 6 decks and chair and pick me in their class, So the second day I go to school. I principal office me reach, Yeah, I reach in the principal office. So I'm in the principal office now and I said, boy, I saw me become second year of school, So when everything was said and done now and them thing there, you understand? So the boy, I think my old fat name. So here now, so man like Carpy and them man, like I used to live in a Oliver Yard at Jonestown and the man there big, the man there and an ordinary man at school, and Yasi and them man there, and you don't know him man, I say, tell him say, you can't step to that youth there, because that youth there, our youth, me I tell you. Yeah, so from the second day I go to school, boy, every teacher say, boy, this a boy in the first farm, look a boy in the fifth farm. Me never the trouble the brother still doing that. Him come take me off of my chair now. You don't know, as youth, when a man, you don't know, I get where you come from, when a man come this year, embarrass you. You understand? So, the second year, every teacher at school know me, I tell you. Yeah, so, me just, you understand? And I want to tell you, say, between me and I saw now, you have all of you to a police now, a detective inspector. Nobody couldn't grab him when I go to school. Because I just tell a man, say, Porter, my cousin, no man not trouble, I tell you, when I go to high school. I saw it go, man. You understand? And then you did have one teacher named Miss Reynolds. The woman not like me, man. I tell you, because of that. Because the boy, the boy must have some connection with her and them thing there. And them vex, them could, because the principal, I said, no, do nothing wrong on them thing there, because self-defense. Because the boy come take me and make me drop on my body. Yeah, man. So I just saw it go. So that's why I was saying, right half youth and them thing there. Because sometimes, things happen. Yeah, man. And that's why I'm in a boy, youth when I'm a teenager. But, hey, look, me never stay son There on a man with no gun and all them thing there, carrying a man. No, Sam, never in them something. Because me don't know from my youth, me see more fit on police. So we give thanks on them thing they feel. Yeah man, I just history and them thing them. I tell you man, hey, from that day them I go high school till the day me left, no guy never rush, not try to rush me and them thing there. And then you have a youth all from all out of South name, Southie, Noel Stanberry, all them youth they respect me and them thing there. And yeah man, and Southie and Yasi, a Virgin and Paula Rossi, a youth from Rima. You understand? You have a boy where come from, a brother where come from. Him name Hardy Murphy, him come from Tivoli, but me and the man ain't a friend still. He must a security guard now. The man ain't a gunman, but me and them youth them don't know, them kind of man ain't dunce and them thing there, But I just saw it go. So anyway, moving on. So this raises critical question. How did a man like Spragga Benz, who held an American visa and was aware of the danger surrounding his lifetime, not take measures to remove his son from a challenging environment, especially on that fateful weekend when the police tragically killed his son? Adding another layer to this complex narrative is the story of Roach, who lost his life in a deadly feud involving Vybz Kartel. Roach's fate was sealed after he insulted influential figures like Stumpy, Daggy, Marshall while defending Vybz Kartel. This defiance ultimately led to his demise, illustrating the brutal consequences of disrespect and rivalry in the dancehall world. So look, I wrote down a big mistake that he make on them thing. You can't born and grow in a community and you got this. And number one, you should have known say them thing there. You can't diss people where you born and grow and you know them. Fear man where you know. And you realize it and the man where you defend. I want to tell you this stuff. Even a selector contact with and tell you say, Roach. I never call him name, and him and I only one. I tell you, selector, when I say selector, I thought man play music. Say Roach, pint gun in a film face, make him have to play Vybz Kartel music because him say after Vybz Kartel he left Alliance, he don't know bounty killer, him say bounty killer like God in a dance hall, Once you violate killer and them thing there, killer not have to tell nobody nothing, Them just work with you, because you have to work with them man there. Killer, foot eye upon them man there, because them control, you understand. Once you diss them man there are like God in a dance hall. So then you're playing on our Vybz Kartel music, and the man say, a Roach, pint gun in a film face, make him play cartel music, and him do it with other selector too. So him say when Roach dead, him never sorry for him. Because Roach was a man who out there defend Vybz Kartel. So it goes to show you that all of you know where I do things on behalf or for Vybz Kartel, we don't like you on a life because him not no loyalty. So imagine a man like that. Because man say if Roach didn't do all of them things, nobody would Vybz Kartel career that was dead. Because everybody did write him off because him this killer. So these stories highlight the intricate and often tricky connections between personal choices, familiar responsibilities and the volatile nature of street life and the dancehall scene. While it is easy to pass judgment, it is essential to understand the context and the profound impact of these experiences on those involved. So stay tuned for a detailed exploration of these gripping tales, where we aim to shed light on the unseen aspect of these influential figures' lives and lessons. So the next time we come on them thing, you're going to hear about, we're going to tell you about the event that lead up to the man them who did want to kill Agent Sasco. And we're going to tell you about him son. We don't tell you about him son, but we're telling you now why Daggy them say, yeah man, it a come from Daggy them camp that anyway, them say Spragga Benz or anyone. So them say, I'll youth named Bugle, and this youth when named Jashi from, and them say, Jashi, I follow Jashi, I follow him, that's why Jashi brother dead. Because of him, I can't believe, the man they are real rascal, him I call Jashi brother dead, because him hype up Jashi, I make Jashi send man go kill man through him mother and them thing. Look at disagreement, the man, work it out. Anyway, just sad still though how you know, how them people, you know, respect each other. So have yourself a beautiful day. Trust me, you're going to hear some damaging thing about this brother here, Spragga Benz. Spragga Benz, boy, honestly, very disappointed. Have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica, Young Police Channel, out.